another very good question. Can we have, it's about sadaqah. Can we have multiple things in mind while giving sadaqah charity? Meaning multiple intentions. For instance, I want this for the health of my kids, my husband, my brother, my sister, myself, my wife, whatever, all these relationships, my whole family, parents who have passed away. Yeah, you can have multiple intentions, no problem. As long as it's not a kafara, a sadaqah that is obligated now upon us because of a oath, qasam, that could not get fulfilled or something, in those cases, you can't have multiple intentions. But in a lot of cases, charity applies, Allah will reward everybody. Like you're giving zakat for the whole family. Yes, the head of the household, it's the money he is bringing on table, but this zakat will bless everyone because head of the household is the representative of the household and he's giving zakat on behalf of everyone because they're not able to give zakat. But since that person is giving it, if he pays it for even wife, great rewards. And yes, he can ask Allah. Even if you didn't ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, believe me, even if you didn't ask Allah, you just did it as a sadaqah, khalas. Tutfi'ul ghadab, takes away the anger of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And yarfa'ul bala, it takes the bala away, the epidemics, diseases, pandemics, problems, accidents, everything sadaqah takes away. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. So sadaqah prevents disease, illness. With it, basically, how they say in America, it goes without saying, charity has multiple benefits. So have multiple intentions, no problem, inshallah, as long as it does not conflict with something that is an obligation. There you have to be careful if I'm correctly making multiple intentions or not. Wallahu a'lam.